Imagine a new future for farming. This a place where farmers grow together. Modern infrastructure designed for success. Organized farm communities built for growth. Turning agriculture into prosperity.
These eggs look perfect. A successful harvest.
Where farmers build wealth together.
Connecting farms to opportunity. Empowering the next generation of farmers.
Giant farm and agricultural services building the future of farming.